now, so he's gonna come over here with a nice helmet.
It's a nice helmet.
No, it's a gay ass thing to put on your head.
Until you get shot.
Here, I might have my chance.
I think that's like the negotiating trailer. The back all opened up.
Yeah, they got some cocoa waiting for him. Ask him what building they're in.
I don't know. I think it might be this one. It looks like that guy's watching the back. And you got that fan over there just moved.
You think it's this close one?
It's this one.
Nah, it's one of them ones back there, I bet.
Well, I seen that van move, and this guy's watching that corner.
And I say, no way it's one of these first ones, because they'd be all more around. It's one of these ones we can't see.
True.
Do you think we should go around to the bike trail? Yeah, hit a rock. What up? You know,
Why they gonna boot that motherfucker down already?
I don't know, which one is it?
Which apartment building?
Yeah.
You see the little one?
Yeah.
It's the big one.
Oh, okay.
You see it? I'm kind of tall.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I see it.
It's the big one right there. It's the bottom floor. I was watching it since like 11. Like, I went to the store this morning and I came back and it was only like, it was this guy and he got pulled over by the officer. And then I think he got out the car and shot at one running into his house.
Huh.
Running into his house, you know how you just turn around and
right.
But
it is his house, you think?
It's either his or his girlfriend.
Okay,
I know who lives there.
Damn.
Him, his girlfriend, and two little girls.
I got you.
I don't see why
so
they
there
don't.
could be people in there with them and shit.
Mm-hmm. I think that's the only reason they didn't. They know he has a weapon and they know there are people in
Yeah,
there.
we talked.
I think that's the only reason they didn't boot it in yet, because they had the little booter and they had dogs out there.
Yeah.
They literally had all of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they would block this car. They had like 3 of those out. All of that. Now all the cars are mostly on the street.
We talked to this one dude and he was saying like, yeah, it's gonna be a while, it seems like. So yeah, the dude's probably gonna turn himself in, but it's gonna be a minute. If not, they'll probably, bust it down eventually.
They do have that big trailer. It looks like that's where they're taking all the calls or something. They're probably trying to make it
because they got huge guns, body suits. They got the little shields, all of that now. They got multiple dogs just out there. They wouldn't even let me go in my house.
That dude does.
I literally had to just sneak in my house. And you see, I had to sneak. You see, I had to sneak back, and he kept looking at me. I know you seen it. I swear to God, because it kept happening. But I had to go to an interview. So when I came back from my interview, it still was going on. But this time, I couldn't get past this way, the backside.
Right.
I already couldn't. When I was leaving, when I was leaving, I had to go. Have my ride come to Dollar General anyway, so I had to be dropped off by Dollar General. Then I came this way. Now I can't even get in the back side of my building. So I had to wait till he wasn't looking and just sneak in real quick. Yeah, that was the only way I had to change, and then I just left. That's why he was just staring at me.
Yeah.
I think he's an asshole though.
Yeah, I believe it.
Probably. You take it easy, man.
That's police rescue vehicle. This is the building right here.
Yeah, they got 2 trucks surrounding it.
What do you think's in that bag?
I don't know. Maybe it was a fire.
Already look like that.
I mean, it looks kind of like it's boarded up on that one that has all that damage on the screen. Because that's not like a broken window. Wouldn't help for a little window cover like that and just check. I'm worried about sitting
Yeah, they should have. They don't want to sit here. It's where they should put the tape at.
here. Yeah, I guess you're right. We could go over there to those bike racks.
You want to? I'll go where you go. What are they gonna say? Let's ask us to move. Sir, you're in the line of cover.
I would be kind of worried about that, to be honest. In this situation, yeah.
Damn, someone was up on their third balcony. Set.